They're saying it was Kate O'Leary at 137 de Coven Street, milking the cow and accidentally kicking over the lantern that started the whole thing. Well, it isn't true. Never in my entire life have I ever milked a cow at 9 in the evening. I swear to you. Me and Patrick and the wee ones, we were all upstairs in the house at the time, asleep.
And I'm Archie Asparagus, bookish and lean. Like most other veggies, I'm also quite green. Like Larry, I have neither hips nor a chin, so God made me special by making me thin.
Well, my name's Jimmy, and he's my bro Jerry. Like Bob, we're good friends with a pickle named Larry, but Bob's shape is round, and we're shaped more like drops. So we're wide at the bottom, but thin at the tops.
Well, hi, boys and girls. My name's Laura Carrot. God made me special, and I'm dying to share it. For one thing, I'm orange, and I'm told it's quite rare, and I wear a bow in my bright yellow hair.